everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean a speaker properly. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. I will be going over 3 simple steps for properly cleaning a speaker like this. And before I go over those steps, I just want to make this clear. This is not going over like a speaker that's severely dirty with like dirt and grime and stuff like that. That's a separate method that's a little bit more intense. This is like cleaning the dust off your speakers. Now, I will also say this. Dust on speakers is not really going to cause any decline in audio quality. So it's more of just an aesthetic thing, or just you know, for hygiene, if you want to clean the dust off, because these speakers are, you know, bouncing and you don't want the dust to go around. I get it. But just so you know, this is not really going to increase the audio quality, because dust really won't decrease the audio quality. Anyways, here are the 3 simple steps. Let's get into this. Step number 1, the first thing that you want to do is to use air to get rid of the dust that's on the surface of the speaker that can sort of be blown off, okay? Now, to use air, you got 2 options. The first option is get like an air canister and just, you know, spray the speakers. And you don't want to go too close, because you don't want to apply too much pressure to the speakers themselves, because right here is a soft area of the speaker, right? So you want to stay, you know, I would say stay like maybe at least a foot away and spray it with an air canister, or you can just use your breath and just sort of get your face there and just like that. And if you're using your breath, you want to make sure that you try to not get, like, you know, any saliva, any moisture on the speaker, because that will eventually, you know, with enough times, will decrease the audio quality. So just try and get sort of dry breath on there, or an air canister, to spray off the dust, okay? The second thing that you have to do is to get a completely dry microfiber cloth. A microfiber cloth is like one of the softest types of cloths you can get, and make sure it's absolutely dry, no moisture at all. With that completely dry microfiber cloth, you want to gently wipe on the speaker's surface, okay? And don't worry so much about getting like super into the crevices. You can, but don't apply too much pressure. To get in here, what you want to do is fold the microfiber cloth sort of over itself, and then you can just get that little edge over there and just sort of get it around into that crevice. But basically just gently wipe the speaker with a microfiber cloth. Be very careful. You do not want to press this in. So try and stick around here, and when you're going over here, like unbelievably gently do it, okay? And then once you've wiped it with a microfiber cloth, you can stop there. But honestly, since you already have either the air can or you've already used the breath method, then the third step is to just use the air method again. So use the air can one more time to get rid of any dust that you might have wiped onto the surface of the speaker that has not been removed with the cloth, or just use your breath to just sort of blow it off. And that's basically it. You'll have cleaned your speaker or speakers. And I know it took a little bit of time to explain it, but honestly, if you're doing this, like for a speaker this size, it would probably take me like, I'd say like 30 seconds to a minute. So like you can do a whole stereo system in not that long. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.